Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Now this feels a bit weird. I've not been in this setup for quite a while. I have not done a makeup video for a couple of months now, but my mom kindly got me some of the Love Island Revolution makeup and I'm so grateful for it. So I'm going to show you guys what I got and I'm going to do a makeup video with it, obviously. So let's just get straight into the video. So I'm going to show you the products first and then I'm just going to do my base makeup and then actually show you the Love Island products, because with the other products I'm using, like my concealer and any other like blush and stuff like that, you've already seen, or if you have not, you would have seen it in my vlog or in my previous videos. And if you are new here, just go through any type of vlog or any video. I normally do a time lapse of my makeup, or I've got makeup videos in my makeup playlist as well. So these are the Love Island Revolution products. So the first thing that I have got and I'm really excited for is the Go For A Chat eyeshadow palette. Now if you do not like basic colours, this isn't a palette for you, but I've got loads of colourful palettes and I don't have a specific palette just for nude colours. So these are the colours. I actually thought it was all matte, but there is some shimmers, as you can see. And I'm going to probably use, I'm thinking that one with that shimmer or one of these ones. Next thing I've got is just a basic, simple lip gloss. Now you can put this on your lips on itself, or you can put it over your lips. I don't think I'm going to try this one out because I really want to try the lip set that my mum got me. But this is what it looks like. I would say it's quite thick, but when you put it on, it doesn't put loads on. And I've never had a lip gloss like that. So this is the lip gloss. I'm not going to use it though because, like I said, I've got a lip set that I want to use. I tried it out last night and it was really smooth, and like I said, it didn't put that much on. I find with most lip glosses it puts on too much product, and this one didn't, for it being really thick lip gloss. Now it's kind of wrong of me to not show you the lip set if I've just mentioned it. This is called Coupled Up. This is what it looks like. This is the lipstick you get with it. I tested it last night and I really love it. I haven't tried it on my lips yet, but this is what it looks like. It's quite a natural pink, it looks like. And then you get this lip liner. I don't really use lip liners that often, but we're going to try it out. And then the last two products are this eyebrow gel. I only use eyebrow gel for my eyebrow, obviously, but meaning I don't use any other type of eyebrow product. I have tried some in the past, but I'm just not really good at it, so I just use eyebrow gel. And then I've got this highlighter. I haven't used highlighter for quite a while, but we're going to test it out today. But before I test out these products, I'm going to do my base makeup first. So this is my concealer and my face primer on. I actually forgot to put this on. I'm going to do the base makeup first. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this on my eyebrows. So I find this spoolie, or whatever you call it, better than the other one I had. I think it's the same, but I think it's more because I had that one for quite a while. Having a new one is just so good. And this product dries in shape. So just make sure like you have your eyebrows in the shape you want them to. And again, I tried this out last night a bit. I would recommend not to put too much product on it. So yeah, I know my eyebrows are not perfect, but these are the eyebrows. No product, just eyebrow gel. Now I'm going to do the highlighter and test this out. I actually didn't get my highlight brush. So this product actually has a design inside and I love it. I know it's going to get wrecked sooner than I think, but for now we're going to soak in the little details. And this is the brush I use for my highlight. I used to use them like really slick back brushes, the big ones that everyone used to get. I personally realised that I was starting to put too much highlight on my face, so I stopped using that and started using this. I will say you need to like brush quite a lot on. I don't know if it's just because I haven't used highlighter for so long, but oh no, it's now showing up. That's actually such a natural, nice highlighter. You need to put some on your nose. Always. Yeah, I think it's quite good that there's not much product goes onto it, but I'm really bad at like putting too much product on and then too much goes on my face. So I feel like that's a good amount for the glowiness you want. And as you can see, none of the actual design has rubbed off yet. Now let's get on to the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start off with this one here. These eyeshadow palettes or eyeshadows don't actually have any name, so they're just colours. But I'm going to start off with this one here. I generally think this is the best eyeshadow palette Revolution has brought out, because look, I've only literally dabbed it slightly and there's already loads of product. And for a true lover of Revolution makeup, I will admit I do still find their eyeshadows aren't as pigmented, but this one is quite pigmented for it being like not a really expensive brand. Like I'm sure my mum said this eyeshadow palette was only £6. £6, and I've only needed to dab it twice, and not even hardly, just like a little pinch. Now I'm going to do the other side, but the colour of glitter I'm going to do is that one. And then after I do the other side, I will show you the brush that I use, because I don't use the same brush for my glitter, just so I don't put as much on. I also have psoriasis, so putting on makeup can be a bit difficult. So for it being like easy to apply and not that much, it makes the process quicker, obviously, and then just easier for me and my skin. Now for this side, I have needed to put a little bit more on. Don't know if that's because I'm not dabbing it properly, or if it's because it's like, this is like my, weaker psoriasis eye, so I get more flare-ups on this eye. But it's still quite good, this is. So you could just go out with this eyeshadow. I'm going to touch it up a bit before I put the eye primer back on. This is the eye primer that I do use. I have got the other one, but this is the new version of the Too Faced eye primer. So the spoolie on, or what, the brush on this type of eye primer is totally different and it's easier to apply. Then the other one is just a squeezy tube. So if you want to invest in a better brush, I would recommend this product. But the other Too Faced eye primer is like the same product and everything. It's just the brush. I find it's easier to apply with this brush. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow glitter with this brush. This is just a smaller version of, that did not work, the thicker brush I've got. Like the other product, you don't need much of this product because I've only dabbed it a bit and literally loads is coming out. Not speak. I like my eyeshadow to pop, so if you like a bit of glitter but not too much, you would only need to dab it once. Surprisingly, that eyeshadow, the glitter one, has applied better on this eye than that eye. Then I go in with the base that I've done just to even it out and make it look okay after I've done my glitter. So that is the eyeshadow. I really recommend that palette. It's, like I said earlier, I think it's the best palette that Revolution have done with the pigment. I don't need to put as much product onto my eyeball as I normally do. And you can easily just take it away and put it in the bag. If you're ever going on holiday or a work trip or anything like that that you need makeup but you don't want to bring your bulky makeup. Now on to the lipstick. So this is the lip pencil. I don't really know how to apply them properly, but I've just put it around my lips or like on the lines on my lips. And this is what it looks like without the lipstick, like the lip gloss thing. And you can see the pigment of the pink, but it just looks very natural. And then this is the pencil afterwards. I feel like that's the annoying thing with these types of pencils. You feel like you need to sharpen them more than you actually use them because they go down quite quickly. So the lipstick is also called Vibing if you are trying to look for it. So this is the final makeup look with all the Love Island products that I've got. Let me know in the comments what you think. I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but the lipstick is a natural pink, but it is quite bright. So it's more like that type of pink. So if you want a more natural colour, I recommend that this is not the type of pink lipstick set for you. I personally would wear it. I feel like it's showing up differently on the video, so I'll try and put a photo up of the real colour here. But I do really recommend this makeup collection. My favourite product is probably the eyeshadow, and I don't know where, and this eyebrow gel, and then probably, I love them all, but to rate them, my least favourite product is probably the highlighter, just because I think it's a good highlighter. Like, it's the right colour and it does a really nice shimmer, but it takes quite a while to get actual product on your brush. Now that's probably me personally. You'll probably buy this and think it's perfect for you, but I just realised I needed to brush it a couple of times to get the amount of product that I wanted to put on my face. But this is what the makeup look looks like. Hope you enjoyed this video. I don't really do these types of videos anymore, so it feels like I'm going back in the past of my old YouTube channel. I used to do these types of videos all the time, do fashion, makeup, and I'm more into lifestyle now. Obviously this is my lifestyle, so I still film doing my makeup, but that will be more on my vlogs and them style of videos than just a sit down video. But hope you like it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. And the next video that will be coming out is a vlog of this day, so you'll see the behind the scenes, how I set up this setup for filming a makeup video. But I will see you sometime soon. Bye.